Hey friends, we're hanging out in the Sprinter van today. This is a 2012 Mercedes Sprinter van. We're looking at the lighting control panel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on these rear fog lights. It's actually pretty simple. Let's do it right now. Okay, really quickly, if you don't know, the Sprinter vans have these rear fog lights that are located down at the bottom. These rear panels are a little bit easy to understand once you've opened them up, but basically you have the brake lights, you have the turn signals, you have the running lights, the reverse lights, and then down here at the bottom are the rear fog lights. So let's turn those on. Okay, here's how you do it. Basically, we're gonna turn this all the way to the right. That's gonna kick our lights on. And then once this is all the way to the right, we have the ability to pull it out. And once you pull it out, you can see that illuminates that little light down there at the bottom. Okay, as you can see, we've got both the rear running lights on as well as the rear fog light on now. Super simple video, friends. I hope that's helped. If it did, hit that thumbs up button for us. Let us know we're making good, helpful videos for you. We're making a ton more Sprinter van videos, so subscribe and we'll see you again on the next one.